Hey, we're here on site at the Barndominium project, and right now they're working on pouring the floor in the basement. And so we get a lot of questions about the order and sequencing of events of what needs to happen when. And so I just thought we'd use this opportunity to kind of spell this out for you and see how this works. So typically you would dig, and then you would put the superior walls in, and then either the house comes out next and then the floor, or the other way around. But the floor has to be poured and the house has to be sitting on the superior walls before you backfill, before you push all the dirt back up against the house. So we'll come back and see how this property gets regraded, because there's a lot of earth here that needs to move. So we'll continue to document this for you so you can see what this looks like. But I thought I'd stop out today as they're pouring the flat work so you could get a chance to see what this looks like. So we get lots of people that will ask about the order and saying, well, hey, I wouldn't think you'd want to pour the floor after the house had been there. It's gonna be a lot harder to get in the house. Well, I mean, the reality is, as you can see with this one, they just got the chute and they're gonna shoot it down through, in this one, they're shooting down through the door, but you can certainly do an egress window in that as well. But this gives you a chance to see what that looks like, and kind of understand maybe that a little bit better about how that can work just fine to pour the floor after the house had been set. Thanks for watching. Thank you.